Alright, in this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to use webhooks from within BombBomb to basically trigger and add any of the events to a Google Sheet. Let's say you're trying to build some analytics or maybe some more in-depth analytics rather than what BombBomb already provides in their Insights tab. So first off, we're going to head over into our BombBomb account and we're going to go to Integrations. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just in the search bar type in webhooks. Click on Details. And now I want you to pause here because we're actually going to head into APINation.com and we're going to look for the webhook app. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Now, once inside of the webhook app, let's go ahead and choose a sync. So we're going to select Google Sheets because again, I want my events data to go into a Google Sheet doc. Once we've done that, all we need to do is select our action or our type of sync. So webhook created into Google Sheets. So we'll go ahead and activate this one. Now, what I need to do is go ahead and make a connection. So if I click on connect, we're going to use inbound webhooks. This is basically telling the system that we're going to want to have a URL capture the data of that webhook. So we're going to go ahead and generate a webhook link and we're going to go ahead and copy this. Now head back into your BombBomb account and in the webhook URL option, go ahead and paste that into there and click add webhook. Now what we can do is go ahead and test and we should see a test sent. And then when we click test up here, you'll see some data come in. Now, do keep in mind, this might not be the only type of payload. Let's say you're trying to get videos watched. You would definitely want to send another test. To do this, let's head into BombBomb and let's go up to videos. Now, I shot this quick video already, so I'm gonna go ahead and send this to myself so that I can trigger this. So we'll go ahead and send it. There we go. We just received it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now, I want video played. So I'm going to go ahead and click on play so that this video plays and the webhook is triggered. And now I'm going to go ahead and retest this. Now you'll see that we'll get an event name played. You'll get all the details. So now that all I need to do now is map it into my Google Sheet. So we'll go ahead and click finish. We'll select our already existing connection if you have one. If you don't, go ahead and make a connection to Google Sheets now. So we'll go ahead and select the existing Google Sheets. I'm going to give this a name. So we're going to say BombBomb video played. And we're going to go ahead and subscribe it. The last thing I need to do here is go ahead and map it. Now, one thing to take note here is that we actually need to manually map these in for the time being. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you could go ahead and just copy like video ID and scroll down to the bottom and click this add value button. And we're going to go ahead and add this. So I'm going to do this real fast. Now, once I add those values, I need to select them into here, right? So sharing URL, and we're just basically matching up, right? So we're matching our values. So we'll go ahead and get the contact ID and we'll get the contact email. There it is. So we're done. We can go ahead and remove the other ones out of these fields here because we don't need them. And the reason why I did this is because these are coming in as a structured object. And Google Sheets just cannot handle structured objects currently. So we want them in separate rows. So we're going to do it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and since I know the event name, if I only want videos played to go onto the sheet, let's add a filter. So we'll go ahead to the event name and we'll say contains video played and we'll save that. Now let's go ahead and test this one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and send myself another video. Head back into BombBomb. Go ahead and send your video. Then once you receive your video, go ahead and open it and click on play. And once you do this, we'll head back into Google Sheets. And we should see video play here in a second. All right, so there's my video played. We're going to go ahead and open that. And we should see all of our data here. Now from within BombBomb, you can go ahead and insert data tools like charts, timelines, and so forth, using those columns and those events. Hopefully you found this video helpful.